Understanding, spend a pretty penny. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression, spend a pretty penny. This phrase is colorful and vivid, often used in everyday conversations. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it correctly in your own conversations. So, let's get started. The phrase, spend a pretty penny, refers to spending a large amount of money on something. The word, pretty, here doesn't mean attractive. Instead, it emphasizes the significant cost involved. It's often used to express that something was expensive, but the speaker might still feel that the purchase was worth the price. Understanding the origins of idiomatic expressions can be quite enlightening. The phrase, spend a pretty penny, has been in use for centuries, and while its exact origin is unclear, it's believed to reflect the idea that spending a lot of money can be as noticeable as something that's pretty. It's a way of highlighting the impact of the expenditure rather than the physical appearance of the money itself. To grasp any idiomatic expression, seeing it in context is invaluable. Here are a few examples. I spent a pretty penny on this watch, but it's been worth every cent. Renovating our home certainly cost us a pretty penny, but now it feels truly ours. You must have spent a pretty penny on that car. It's gorgeous. Notice how the phrase can be used in various situations, always to emphasize the high cost of an item or service. It's important to understand the appropriate contexts for using phrases like, spend a pretty penny. Do use it when you want to express that something was expensive in a somewhat light-hearted or conversational tone. Don't use it in very formal settings or when discussing financial hardships. It's more suited for casual conversations or personal anecdotes. We hope you've enjoyed learning about the phrase, spend a pretty penny. It's a fun and expressive way to talk about expensive purchases or investments. Remember, mastering idiomatic expressions is a great step toward becoming fluent in English. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use spend a pretty penny in your next conversation about a big purchase. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.